Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's topic is on solving some practice set or some MCQ on the electrical engineering. How it is very important for your competitive exam like SSC JEE, RRB JEE and state government JEE exams. It is also important for your basic knowledge of electrical engineering and for your semester exam also. So from today I will be start a new series of practice set and MCQ solving the electrical engineering. I also try to provide another branch of engineering question set also. So I am Sodip from the channel E for Engineering. Let's start the practice. So this is the practice set 1 for electrical engineering purpose. So let's start with the first question. The rate of movement of charge through any conductor is known as voltage, resistance, current, and the right answer is current. Okay, it is called the current I is equal to Q by E. Okay. Q is the charge and the T is the time. So current is the charge per time. Okay. The meter which measures current is known as voltmeter, ohm meter, and ammeter. The right answer is ammeter. Voltmeter measures the voltage, ohm meter measures the resistance, and the ammeter measures the current. Okay. Next. The unit of force in MKS system is joule. Okay. In a primary battery, the chemical action is reversible, chemical action is irreversible, no chemical action takes place. The right answer is chemical action is irreversible. It is the primary battery where the chemical action is irreversible, that is, it is non-chargeable. Okay. Next. Which one of the following is a primary cell? Lead acid cell, Daniell cell, alkaline cell, Lankenite cell. The right answer is Daniell cell. The other cells are chargeable cells, so there are secondary cells. Only the Daniell cell is the primary cell. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. The angle between the rotor poles and the stator poles is called torque angle. Okay, it is for the synchronous motor. Okay. Next. Sorry. The DC series motor is used for driving a pump, lathes, cranes, or rolling mill. The DC series motor is used for driving mainly for the cranes. The cranes, it is mainly for the high starting torque of the DC series motor. Please remember that DC series motor is used where high starting torque is required because its graph, if we plot the graph torque, you will see that this is the torque current characteristics of DC series motor. Okay. Next, the voltage turn ratio in both primary and voltage and secondary windings of a transformer is same. High in high voltage windings, low in LT side, and low in HT side. The voltage turn ratio in both primary and secondary windings for a transformer is same. Please remember that it is very important. The voltage turn ratio V by T. Okay, it is mainly 4.445 F. Okay, so here for a transformer, flux is constant. For a transformer, frequency is constant. So the voltage turn ratio is also constant. Next, sleep of an induction motor normally lies between 10 to 15%, 0%, 3 to 5%, 90 to 95%. It is the sleep of an induction motor normally lies between 3 to 5%. If the sleep percentage formula is Ns minus Nr by Ns into 100%. Okay. Yes. So it is mainly 3 to 5%. Capacity of a battery is indicated by ampere, ampere hour, watt, volt ampere. It is indicated by ampere hour. You know that for a battery, the battery capacity is labeled on his back, that is in ampere hour, 10 ampere hour, 7 ampere hour. Okay, that is a normal rating of a battery. Next, a moving iron meter or the MI meter can be used only in MI meter is used for AC and DC both. Okay. PMC type voltmeter can be used only in AC only. Okay. Or DC only. PMC type meter only used in DC only. Okay. Because here the deflecting torque is proportional to current I. Okay. So PMC type voltmeter can be used for DC only, and the moving iron for MI meter, the torque, deflecting torque is proportional to I square. Okay, for that it has a non-uniform scale, and PMC type voltmeter has a uniform scale. With the star delta stator, the voltage across an IM. With the star delta stator, the voltage across an induction motor winding is 57.7%, which is 1 by root 3. This is the phase voltage or the 1 by root 3 percentage of the main voltage. Okay. Next, if the back EMF of a DC motor suddenly vanishes, then the motor will burn. It is for the voltage is equal to back EMF plus IaRa. If EB is equal to 0, then I is become very high and the motor become burned. Next, for the illumination level is measured in lumen, candela, lux, none. It is measured in lux. Meter constant of energy meter is measured in kilowatt hour per revolution. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. So mainly for the energy meter it is 1. The form factor for a sinusoidal AC voltage is 1.11. Okay. The third pin of a 3-pin plug is provided. So provided an earth connector to prevent the plug reversing the socket, provides a 3-phase supply or separate phase. No, the right answer is provides an earth connection. It is for the earth connection and the safety of the equipment and the personnel also. Next, the luminous efficiency. The luminous efficiency of a lamp is lumen, lux, candela or lumen per watt. It is measured in lumen per watt. Output of a transformer is expressed always in kVA. You can hear that 10 kVA transformer, 30 kVA transformer, 100 kVA transformer. Okay. Capacitor for a PF correction are rated in kVAr. If you don't understand this, please see my previous video on power factor correction and power factor improvement. Okay, I discussed there very brief. If I is the safe current for a fuse wire for a radius r and length l, then I varies as RL, I varies as root RL, I varies R to the power 3 by 2L and none. It is true for the I varies R 3 by 2 into L. It is the right formula. So that's for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this MCQ. If you learned something, please subscribe my channel for this awesome content. And if you learn something new, like the video and